Want to make your Windows account more secure? Windows Security includes an account protection section that helps you review sign-in and account security features. In this guide, I'll show you what to check and how to use the main options. First, open the Start menu and search for Windows Security. Select the app, then choose Account Protection. This page brings together several features related to signing in and protecting your Windows account. Start with the Microsoft Account section. Windows may show information about the account you're using, along with recommendations if additional security steps are available. Review any warning carefully before making changes. Next, look at Windows Hello. Depending on your device, you may be able to use facial recognition, a fingerprint, or a PIN to sign in. These options can provide a convenient way to authenticate without typing your Microsoft account password every time. If Windows Hello PIN is available, select Setup or Manage. Follow the prompts to create or update your PIN. Choose a PIN that's difficult for someone else to guess and don't share it with anyone. So treat it like a real security credential. You may also see Dynamic Lock under Account Protection. This feature can automatically lock your PC when a paired Bluetooth device, such as your phone, moves out of range. If it's available, follow the Windows instructions to pair a device and enable Dynamic Lock. Look for any account protection recommendations shown on the page. Windows may suggest actions, such as setting up Windows Hello or improving your sign-in security. Follow recommendations that apply to your device and account. For additional account security, review your Microsoft account security settings. Use a strong, unique password and enable multi-factor authentication when available. Never share verification codes or approve sign-in requests you didn't initiate. You can also review Windows sign-in options through Settings. Open Accounts, then Sign-in Options. Here you can manage Windows Hello and other available sign-in methods. The exact options depend on your hardware and account configuration. And that's how to use account protection in Windows Security. Review your sign-in methods, use Windows Hello when supported, and keep your Microsoft account protected with strong authentication. A few simple settings can make your Windows account much harder to compromise.